Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete browsing history in Microsoft Edge. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services in the sidebar. Under Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose what to clear, or you can press Ctrl+H to open history, then click on the Delete Browsing Data icon. Choose a time range from the drop-down menu, for example, last hour, last 24 hours, all time. Select the types of data you want to delete, for example, browsing history, cookies, cached images and files. Click on Clear now. This will delete the selected browsing data from your Edge browser. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.